there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Don't go away.
Beachy Beach.
Today, we're over in Lynn Haven.
Yes.
Over at Kane Griffin Park, which just so happens to be a short drive from both of the houses we're checking out today.
There's water everywhere and very close, no matter where we are.
So we have this great little house over in Lynn Haven. It is 4-bedroom.
Yes.
2.5 bath. I love this spacious yard. It's over a third of an acre.
Absolutely. It's perfect for the family.
So great big yard with an oversized driveway, a garage, nice fenced-in backyard. In the back of the home, you have a Florida room where you get to overlook the peaceful backyard. Brand new roof. Can't beat that.
Absolutely.
Plenty of space. Location is amazing. It's under $300,000, and you can get to anywhere you need in Lynn Haven, right, Heather?
Absolutely. So it's around the corner from Walmart and Publix. You could just send the kids on their bikes even. It's that close.
Perfect. No HOA to deal with.
No, it's right here, so centrally located. Great schools, great community. It's a perfect little neighborhood.
And the driveway's big enough. If you wanted to park your boat there, you could. Plenty of room for your toys.
Or your teens.
Yes. If you want to check out this great 4-bedroom home under $300,000 in the Lynn Haven area, please give us a call.
Look at the description below for the actual link to the MLS for further details.
Don't miss out on hot deals like this one. Make sure you subscribe to thebeachshow.com. Ring that bell.